believe that money is the root of all evil. That is not what the Bible says. Are you listening? The Bible does not say that money is the root of all evil. But the Bible does say the love of money.
Right.
Ang kwarta, galamitun lang. We are to love people. We are to love God. We are to love the ministry. We are to love worshiping and serving God. We are not to love money. We are not to love things. These are part of our life, but they are not more important than God, our family, and our worship and service to God. So, hence the theme, the priceless woman. A woman that cannot be bought. A woman that cannot be